This is the BW Space Pro underwater drone. Equipped with Youcan Robot's image stabilization technology, your footage will remain smooth and stable no matter the situation. Surprisingly powerful for its small size, the BW Space Pro constantly adjusts to your commands, keeping you stable in the water and eliminating variables so you can focus on your framing. You can take it with you wherever you go. By taking our original, streamlined design and carefully tweaking it, we further improved its portability to make your life easier. Extend your creative potential with up to 5 hours of dive time and a max speed of 1.5 meters per second. Advanced automatic depth maintenance makes it easy to manage your position in the water. And for the first time in a Youcan robot drone, you now have the ability to tilt upwards and downwards up to 45 degrees and make flawless vertical movements to capture that perfect shot. Capture the beauty beneath the surface, explore without limits, and create your own out-of-this-world content with the BW Space Pro.
This is the Gladius Mini Underwater Drone, your window to the underwater world. It can dive down to an amazing 100 meters deep and propel faster than 2 meters per second. It can rise and dive vertically just like a real submarine and can inspect objects at an adjustable 45-degree angle. With 2 hours of battery life, you can relax and not feel rushed. And because the Gladius has 5 stabilizing propellers, you can record extremely smooth video even on preset angles and depths. You can view crystal clear sea life through its 4K camera. You can explore the deep ocean and reach where you never reached before. It can be easily controlled through your smartphone, and with our intuitive remote steering control, you can use VR goggles for a more immersive experience. You can share up to 3 devices using Wi-Fi, as well as connect to a big screen TV via HDMI. You can even live stream on YouTube and share instantly to Facebook so that all your friends and fans can join in the fun. The Gladius Mini is small, portable, and great for families, photographers, content creators, and adventure geeks. An underwater world awaits you. Where would you take your Gladius?
When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of Youcan Robot, and from there, we created another glimpse of the future of possible. This is the BW Space, the newest addition to the Youcan Robot family, and a great leap forward for the industry. BW Space is the newest and most improved underwater drone from Youcan Robot, which yields something unique and groundbreaking in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It's exceptionally powerful and nimble in the water without sacrificing stability. It has the ability to capture 4K video at 30 frames per second and take still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. With 7 hours of total dive time, 100-meter dive depth, and a max speed of 2 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The BW Space's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. With state-of-the-art active tracking, it can follow your subject automatically. And with dual powerful LED lights, you'll have no problem navigating in the darkest of conditions. With 128 gigs of internal storage, you can record for hours and take thousands of photos. Live sharing makes it a breeze to share with your friends. With the click of a button, the whole world can tune in to your adventure. The app is as sleek and compact as the BW Space itself. And with the BW Space in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.
Introducing the next generation Blueye ROV. The Blueye X3, our new model with endless possibilities. The X3 is equipped with 3 new guest ports, supporting 8 different communication protocols, making it possible to expand the ROV's capabilities with a wide range of external equipment, such as grippers and manipulators. The 2-axis gripper is fully integrated into the Blueye app and makes it easy to retrieve objects, operate tools, deploy equipment, or collect samples. A DVL mounted on the Blueye X3 will enable new and advanced control modes, such as dynamic positioning and distance management. Equip the X3 with a side scan, multi-beam, or 360-degree scanning sonar to significantly extend your range of sight. The new aluminum mounting bracket serves as a strong attachment point and a platform for external equipment. Add new angles to your inspection with the Blueye external camera and light. The camera and light can be mounted independently and in any direction to suit your needs. The ROV operator can view live footage, record video, and capture pictures from both cameras. Get a better overview in the dark by combining a pair of Blueye external lights with the primary light for a total of 10,000 lumen intensity. Lights, sonars, camera, manipulators, positioning systems, and sensors. The Blueye X3. Endless possibilities.